Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. And as you can see from these pictures here, I've already been busy doing a bit of crafting. If you watched my Hobbycraft haul video a couple of weeks ago, you'll have saw I bought this bunting and the pens and the stickers and created this lovely banner ready for Easter. And today I'm going to show you a few more things that I'm doing just to craft up the place ready for the Easter season. So I've got these two wooden spoons that I've just took out of my utensils box. I've got some white acrylic paint. I've also got some wood paint. If you again saw another one of my videos a couple of weeks ago, I painted my skirting boards with this Manhattan grey in the bathroom and the powder room. So I'm just going to use, as it's wood paint, I thought, well, I'll paint one of my spoons with the grey and see how that works. So I'm going to have one white spoon and one grey spoon. So let me get on and paint these and I'll show you what's going to happen next. So while those wooden spoons are drying, I'm just going to do the extra bits. I'm going to make two cute bunnies. I'm going to make a girl bunny and a boy bunny, and I'm going to put them into my utensils holder to make them look Eastery. So I've just drawn some ear shapes, and I'm just going to cut those out. And then I'm going to use some, I've got some pink scraps. I'm going to cut some inside ears. And I'm going to get my googly eyes ready. And then when I have painted the bottoms of the spoons, I'm going to assemble it all together and it's going to look really cute. So here are the finished bunnies in their utensil jar. I think they look adorable. I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. So they've got their googly eyes on the nose. As I showed you, I drew the faces on with pen, and on the back I stuck a feather just to sort of cover up the back of the ears, but it also looks quite cute the way it sticks out, so it looks like fluffy hair. I could actually put a few more feathers in, but I say I'm just really pleased with how it's all turned out. And you can see the other spatula there with hop on. I made that last year, so I'm going to put a link to that video so you can have a look at that if you're interested. So now let's move on to the next thing I've made. So I got a load of these glitter eggs last year. I think they might have been from Home Bargains or somewhere like that. And they're just a bit too glitzy. I quite like neutrals. So what I thought I would do is cover them with wool. So I'm just put some Pritt stick on just to hold them in place. It doesn't hold it perfectly, but it just helps a little bit. And then I'm just going to wrap the wool round. And I'm going to try out lots of different colours of wool. I've got loads of wool. I might even use some jute or twine. I've got some white and green twine and some grey and white twine, so I'm going to try those out. And I'm going to wrap them all up. And then I might, as you can see there on the table, I've got some ladybirds and bees that I've used before for Easter crafting. I think I might put a few of those onto some of the eggs. And then I also have some flowers that I got from Home Bargains, some sort of daisies and some sunflowers. And I think I might stick those into some of the eggs. So obviously I'll just show you here, me wrapping them up, and then I'll show you how it all turns out. So here are the finished eggs. As I said at the start, I've wrapped some and put ladybirds on, flowers. I've wrapped some with the twine. I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. They've totally changed those bright, sparkly glitter into a nice, neutral palette. And I think I'm going to turn it into a bit of a garland. So I'm going to hang it on some twine. And I think that's going to look great. So here they are downstairs on the mirror. I think they look fantastic. I'm really pleased. And what's nice on the mirror as well is you get that reflection. So there's looks like there's even more on there. So I'm really pleased with that. I hope you've enjoyed watching my crafting today. I'd just like to try and share a few ideas with you, and I hope some of them stick. So Thanks ever so much for watching. If you did really enjoy those two crafts, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week when I'm going to show you the finished home decor for Easter. Until next week then, take care and bye-bye.